So I'm here in the Southampton Township of New Jersey to check out a classic stainless steel diner from 1953. But unfortunately, it's not here anymore. You see, because the Miloseratos brothers bought it in '69, and they realized, well, it just wasn't big enough. So in '73, they sold it, and they built this monster. This is the Vincentown Diner.
One hot cake working, please.
Every time you come in, you know you're going to get a really good meal.
Country omelet.
Everything comes from scratch.
I need a prime rib cheesesteak.
Doesn't really even compare to other diners.
Because after owner Demetrius Miloseratos took over the family diner business, he broke from tradition.
We have upgraded the menu dramatically. We're in the middle of farm country right here. We buy all the local vegetables and fruits.
And executive chef Jason Edgar is using local grass-fed beef for this tower of power.
Mile-high meatloaf.
Why is it mile high?
It's about this high off the plate.
No, it's not.
That's pretty big.
Seriously?
It's big.
It's like a reverse meatloaf sandwich.
And the pieces are thick and meaty.
We're gonna make the meatloaf.
Yep, we got our ground beef, 75-25.
Going big.
Ground Italian sausage, green and red peppers, white onions that I've cooked down for a long time.
Yeah, when people put raw veggies in meatloaf, it drives me crazy.
No. Now I got some panko breadcrumb that I've crushed some roasted garlic into, and then milk.
So you got your panade.
Yes. Beaten organic eggs. Some of the meatloaf sauce.
What do we got?
We got some ketchup, maple syrup, steak sauce, hot sauce, Montreal steak seasoning.
Doctor?
Just some salt and pepper.
So we'll take this into the pan.
Pack it in.
So in the oven, what temp?
350, about an hour, hour and a half. Then we bring it out, we brush some more of that meatloaf sauce on the top.
Got it.
Put it back in
Let it
to
glaze. Got it.
Yeah, then we let it cool, we unmold, we slice it, it gets seared on the flat top.
You make the gravy yourself?
We make the gravy.
You gotta make some gravy.
All right, let's make some gravy.
All right.
I've roasted some veal bones. I'm gonna put them in the pot with some roasted vegetables and rosemary thyme.
Fill it up with water. How long are we gonna let that cook down for?
6-7 hours until all that collagen breaks down.
Strain it.
Yes,
and that's
sir.
the foundation of all the gravy.
Yes.
I love it. I mean, that's doing it old school, the right way.
Some butter?
Small amount of butter.
Little bit.
Build the roux.
I'm gonna add some more of the roasted mirepoix with some flour in there. We cook the flour for a couple minutes, and we go in with our stock.
A little demi-glace.
Homemade tomato sauce. Do 1 spoon of beef base just to amp it up a little bit. Now we got some ground prime rib and some flat leaf parsley.
Okay, so you let that sit there and cook down, and then later take the immersion blender to it,
Yes, sir.
and this will go.
Right on the mile-high meatloaf.
Got it. All right, chef. Make the magic happen, baby.
Got our meatloaf seared off. We're gonna go down with a nice scoop of our roasted garlic mash. 1 piece of meatloaf, another scoop of mash.
I get the mile high thing now, chef.
We're gonna go on with our gravy,
Don't be shy with that.
a little frizzle, some of our veg mix.
Start at the knee. The thing that impressed me the most has been the prime rib into the gravy.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. Mashed potatoes are spot on. The meatloaf is tender. You definitely get some of that Italian sausage. Love the little caramelization you put on it when you finish it on the flat top. This is tender. This is juicy. Oh, look at me. I can't stop eating it. Well done, brother.
Thank you, man.
That's close stuff.
Pick up mile-high meatloaf.
When you take a bite, you get the best of everything.
Just the way you want it, just perfect.
I love Vincentown because of the family atmosphere.
Something that's been important since Demetrius started working here as a kid when his dad and uncles owned the place. Did your dad know that you bought it, or had your dad passed?
He passed.
He's the guy in the blue suit?
Yep.
Oh, he's happy, man. He's got to be proud that his kid's taking over. And that he's back in the booths, serving up creative twists on diner classics.
Pick up 2 apple pie French toast.
Breakfast or dinner, that's the dish for me.
Melt in your mouth, delicious.
All right, chef. Next up.
We're gonna make our apple mix for the apple pie French toast. Start with some apple juice, and brown sugar, cinnamon sticks,
A little cinnamon. What type of apple?
Fuji. We're gonna let this cook down about 10-15 minutes until
Okay.
the apples are nice and soft.
Okay, up next, chef.
We got the salted caramel for the apple pie French
Hit
toast. A little bit of water, some sugar. This is gonna go until the sugar caramelizes.
Got it.
Then we're gonna go in with butter, heavy cream.
And then to make it salted caramel.
We add some salt. That's it.
Oh, see, that's the right amount of salt.
Yeah.
That's dynamite. I don't like sweets, but I like salted caramel. And the French toast, how are we making that?
Make our French toast batter. We get a thick sliced white bread we get from a local bakery.
Got it.
Cook it on our flat top.
What's in it?
1 layer French toast. Pile those cooked down apples. Another French toast. Another pile of apples. 1 more French toast. Some apples for good luck.
Those apples really do cook down. Salted caramel. Is this dessert or breakfast?
Whichever you prefer. Gonna hit it with a little pinch of the crumble. We'll finish with some whipped cream. There you go, apple pie French toast.
All right, so I got to call my son Ryder. Ryder is a French toast aficionado. Here he is. Ryder, I want you to take a look at this French toast, cinnamon and apples with caramel sauce and whipped cream.
Okay, wow.
I'm gonna give you a bite of it right now. Ready? How'd it taste? Yeah. It's like a wedding cake. Nice toast. You still got some chew to it. The apples are cooked just enough. The little crumble on top is a nice little touch. But the caramel sauce, bro?
Yeah.
I mean, you should just have like a caramel bath out there. People can just drag bacon through it. Watch out for this guy.
The apple pie French toast.
This plate defines comfort food for me.
It tastes exactly like an apple pie that my grandmother would make.
No matter where you're coming from, the Vincentown Diner should be on your list.
Congrats, man. Your dad would be very proud.
Thank you.